Hi ma'am, good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Ako si Ivan Montilla, ma'am.
And my name is John Lloyd T. Piscones.
My name is Hyrone Pichigo.
Today we're gonna report global governance.
Report is effect of globalization on governments. The globalization restrains governments by inducing increased budgetary pressure. As a consequence, governments shift their expenditures in favor of transfer and subsidies and away from capital expenditures. Kanay daw mga problema mo nitong mga mo nitong ning dako na mga gasto man ba? Karing kumbaga ning mahal lang mga pamilito mo ba? Example mo kaya mga bugas. Second report is nature and scope of global governance. Global governance brings together diverse actors to coordinate collective action at the level of the planet. The goal of the global governance, roughly defined, is to provide global public goods, particular peace and security, justice, and mediation system for functioning market and unified standard for the trade industry. Ang kuan ani ma'am kay mao nitong tigbalan sa mga global governance ma'am. Example ani mga governo kay sila may mo kuan mo. Third reporting is criticism of global governance. They are criticized as being institutionally weak, fragmented, lacking in standing, and providing non-optimal environmental protection. It has been stated that the current decentralized, poorly funded, and strictly intergovernmental regime for global environmental issues is substandard. Ano itong ma'am? Criticize o critic sa mga taong ma'am kung kaya ba nilang tabangan o dili or karing angay bang tabangan sila or dili ma'am.
I am a second reporter and I will report and tackle of types of international organizations. And first organizations is governmental organization. An intergovernmental organizations is a group of members, sovereign states, countries, working together on issue of mutual self-interest. Some IGOs are legal entities. They have been ratified by character. The United Nations is a good example of legally constituted. So mo ni siya ang kanmam kining intergovernmental organizations. Mo ni siya katong mga kanman kining mga government ba nga motabang sa mga tao para sa lang example anang kanmam kining DSWD o kaning WHO. Third report is multinational enterprise. A multinational company is a corporate organization that owns and controls the product of goods or service in at least one country other than its home country. Mo ni siya katong ma'am, example ani ma'am kay katong Coca-Cola ma'am. Kining naa sa ma'am kining tibuokan bitaw ma'am kining lugar or bansa kay worldwide sa ma'am bagi operate sa isa ka kining isa ra gyapon tag-iya ni ma'am kining para sa ning Coca-Cola.
I will be reporting the intergovernmental organizations. So there are four types of intergovernmental organizations. The first one is the international governmental organizations. So what is the international governmental organizations? Only governments belong to IGO, which are responsible of some things, also known as binary acronym for DIO, International Organization. The United Nations Worldwide Trade or UN and the North Atlantic Treaty Organizations or NATO, the World Trade Organizations WTO, and the European Union are all examples of IGOs or intergovernmental organizations. So, ang ang UN, ang NATO ug ang WTO is part sa intergovernmental organizations or IGO. So, the intergovernmental organizations is the expansions of IGO and the range of issues they address has generated as peer multilateral politics that has necessitated the parallel rise in a politically engaged global society. So, ang intergovernmental organizations kuno nagkadako siya range of issues to address yung United States multilateral. So, nagkadako iyang kwan sa society tungod kay nagkabali-bali na ang mga kwan sa NATO o ang UN. So, ang ikaduhang types of intergovernmental organizations is the United Nations. So, from the word itself, United Nations, kabalon namang gyud ta kung unsa ng United Nations, sila mo'y nagahatag og defense sa atong country para dili ta atakon sa laing country. So, it is an intergovernmental organization whose purpose is to maintain the international peace and security development friendly relationship among nations. So, to achieve international cooperations and be the center of harmonizing the actions of nations. Okay, bye. International Monetary Fund. The IMF is an organization of 189 members countries that works to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate the international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. So, ang International Monetary Fund muna siya ang mga gigahin nga kwarta para magamit sa takdang panahon nga kinahanglan sa mga tao inig naay mga kalamidad o etc. Sige, bye. Part of intergovernmental organizations is the OECD. So, what is the OECD, or the Organization for Economic Cooperation Development, or OECD? It is an international organization that works to build better and better lives. So, what is OECD purpose? A unique forum where governments of 37 democracies with market-based economies collaborated to develop policy standards to promote sustainable economic growth. So, ang 37 ka democracy nagsama-sama kuno para maka-build og economy nga collaborate to develop policy to promote an economic growth. So, is the Philippines an OECD country? Dili ang Philippines dili siya abot sa OECD countries. All 10 countries are Association of Southeast Asian or ASEAN, namely Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, PDR, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam regularly participate in the OECD or Southeast Asia Regional Program. So, who are the OECD countries? The OECD countries are the Australia, Belgium, Canada, Chile, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Israel, Japan, Korea, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovak Republic, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, United Kingdom, and United States. So, those are the countries who is a part of OECD or Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Okay, bye. So, those are our reports, ma'am. Those are the types of
Global governance.
governance.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
God
God bless,
bless.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.